Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact error and scope, so you fix root cause, not symptoms. First, capture logs and note the timestamp. That tells you what changed. Next, make a full backup or snapshot of the affected data to avoid compounding damage. Once done, isolate the system by using read-only or maintenance mode so users don't overwrite fixes. These steps let you proceed safely and preserve evidence for rollback if needed later. You now analyze the failure pattern to choose a surgical repair. Run integrity checks like checksums or validation scripts to locate corrupted segments and quantify damage. Then compare the bad copy against a known good version to pinpoint mismatched records or schema drift. Once identified, apply targeted fixes. Restore specific records, rehydrate missing files from backup, or rerun ETL transforms to rebuild derived data. Make sure you finish by validating that the repair stuck and the system behaves normally. Run end-to-end tests and spot-check critical records to confirm accuracy. Automated tests catch regressions while manual checks catch context errors. Once confident, slowly re-enable write operations and monitor metrics and logs for anomalies. If anything looks off, switch back to maintenance mode and execute your rollback plan. One key tip: if issues persist, review recent schema or transform changes first. They're often the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.